In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Slack. This step-by-step guide will help you seamlessly connect these two powerful tools to enhance your productivity and communication. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Monday.com account by logging in as you normally would. Once inside, navigate to the specific board that you wish to connect with Slack. It's important to choose the board where your team collaborates and where you'd find it beneficial to receive Slack notifications. Next, we need to head over to the Integration Center. At the top of your chosen board, look for the Integrate button, which might appear as a gear icon or a puzzle piece. Clicking on this will bring you to a search bar. Type Slack here. You will see Slack among the list of available integrations. Click on Slack to proceed. Now it's time to choose an integration recipe. Monday.com offers a variety of pre-built automation recipes designed specifically for Slack. Some popular options include when a status changes to something, send a message in a Slack channel, when an item is created, notify a team in Slack, or when a column changes, post an update in Slack. Each of these recipes links a specific trigger from Monday.com to an action within Slack. With your recipe in mind, you'll need to connect your Slack account. Look for the Add to Slack prompt and click on it. A login window will appear for Slack. Sign into your Slack workspace and make sure you connect the correct workspace where your team is active. Once you're logged in, click Allow to give Monday.com the necessary access to integrate seamlessly with Slack. You'll know this step is successful when Slack appears as a linked integration on your board. After connecting, you can customize your integration for tailored notifications. Choose the Slack channel that will receive updates such as project updates or #team marketing. Then select the trigger condition, like when a status column changes to done or a certain date arrives. Customize the message that will appear in Slack. For instance, it can say, task completed, item name. Finally, click Activate Integration to enable it. Now it's crucial to test your integration. Change a status or create a new item on your Monday.com board. Then hop over to the Slack channel you've linked and check if the notification comes through as expected. If you don't see it, double check your permissions or try reconnecting Slack to troubleshoot any issues. Finally, if you ever need to adjust your integration, you can manage or edit it easily. Return to your board on Monday.com, hit the Integrate button again, and under Active Integrations, you'll find options to edit your Slack recipe, pause, or delete an integration. You can also add new triggers or channels to keep your workflow dynamic. And there you have it. You now know how to integrate Monday.com with Slack, streamlining your workflow and keeping your team updated with ease. Enjoy the enhanced productivity this integration brings to your team's collaboration efforts.